Hey, Bryn, do you ever wonder what it would be like to visit a planet?
Now that would be a real adventure. Want to look at this map to pick a planet we want to visit?
That sounds fun. The map shows that when the planets are measured at their widest part, planet Alpha is 24,901 miles around, and planet Beta is 24,739 miles around.
Wow, those planets sound really big. I wonder which planet is bigger. Let's use a place value chart to compare the numbers. We write 24,901 in the chart like this, and then 24,739 like this.
That's great. This chart shows us the value of each digit in the number.
To compare the numbers, we start by looking at the place with the greatest value, which will be the digit furthest to the left. Look, both numbers have a 2 in the 10,000ths place. The 2 in each number represents 20,000.
Since the greatest value in both numbers is the same, we look at the next digit. This is the thousands place. Both numbers have a 4 in the thousands place. This represents 4,000.
Since the value is the same, we will keep going. Now, let's look at the hundredths place. This time, the numbers are different. The 9 represents 900. And the 7 represents 700. 900 is greater than 700, which means 24,901 is greater than 24,739.
You know, we could use a comparison symbol to compare the numbers, greater than, less than, or equal to.
So, if we know 24,901 is greater than 24,739, we will use the greater than symbol.
Well, if planet Alpha is larger, then I want to go there.
Sounds like a plan, Nico.
Which number is greater? 42,485 or 43,789? That's it. You're definitely paying attention.
Now, I want to compare the distance around planet Alpha to the distance around planet Gamma to see which planet is bigger. We know planet Alpha's widest part is 24,901 miles around, and planet Gamma's widest part is 272,946 miles around.
Let's compare. Start with the greatest place value, the digit furthest to the left. Wait a minute. Planet Gamma has a digit in the 100,000s place, but there's no digit there for planet Alpha.
The greatest value for this number is 20,000. But the greatest value for this number is 200,000. 20,000 is less than 200,000.
So that means 24,901 is less than 272,946.
Planet Gamma is bigger, so I want to go to Gamma.
If you're going to planet Gamma and I'm going to planet Alpha, let's see who has to travel the farthest. Planet Gamma is 852,402 miles away. And planet Alpha is 852,402 miles away.
Okay, I put those distances in our place value chart, starting at the place with the greatest value. Nico, look! Both of these numbers have the exact same digit in the exact same spot on the place value chart. So, 852,402 is equal to 852,402.
Complete the comparison statement. Yes, great focus.
These planets are really far away. Do you think we will have to travel farther than 1 million miles?
I know how we can find out. This number shows 1 million. The millions place is greater than the 100,000s place. Let's compare 1 million to 852,402.
We start from the greatest value, which in this case is millions. Because there is no digit in the millions place for 852,402, that means 1 million is greater than 852,402.
Phew, our trip is not quite as far as I thought. You know, we can use what we've learned about comparing numbers to figure out which planet Mateo will be traveling to.
Mateo will be traveling to one of these planets. The numbers show how far, in miles, each planet is from the station. Mateo told me the planet he is traveling to is less than 45,670 miles away. I wonder which planet it is.
To figure it out, we need to find which number is less than 45,670.
The distance to the first planet is 45,680. Let's compare it to 45,670. Both numbers have the same digits in the 10,000ths, thousandths, and hundredths places. But the digit in the tens place is greater in 45,680, so it is the greater number. We are looking for a number that is less than 45,670.
If that's not the planet that Mateo is going to, then maybe we should try this one. The digits in the 10,000s place are different. 5 is greater than 4, so 54,670 is the greater number. We're still looking for a number that is less than 45,670.
Well, let's look at this last one. Start with the digit with the greatest value. The 10,000ths place is the same, but the thousandths place is different. 4 is less than 5.
44,670 is less than 45,670.
We did it! We found the planet Mateo is traveling to.
Choose the number that makes the comparison true. You got it! Hooray!
I think if I use our fastest spaceship, I can get to planet Alpha in just 5 months.
You're going to have a lot of homework to do when you get back.
Comparison symbols are used to show that a number is greater than, equal to, or less than another number. To compare these two numbers, start by showing each number in a place value chart. 24,901 and 24,739. The chart shows the value of each digit in the numbers. When we compare, we start by looking at the place with the greatest value, which is the digit furthest to the left. The digits in the 10,000s place are the same for both numbers. Now look at the digit in the thousands place. The value is the same here too, so look to the hundreds place. This time, the numbers are different. 900 is greater than 700. So, 24,901 is greater than 24,739. Let's compare 852,402 to 1 million. Here are the numbers shown in a place value chart. Start with the place that has the greatest value, the millions place. Only one of the numbers has a digit in the millions place. 1 million is greater than no millions, so that means 852,402 is less than 1 million. Now, let's compare 372,160 to 372,160. Here are the numbers in a place value chart. When we look at each digit in these numbers, we can see that they are the same. This means the numbers are equal to each other. Which number is greater? 89,324 or 88,423? You got it. Great concentration. Which number is less? 789,432 or 78,943? You chose the right one. Good thinking. Use the number selector to input your answer. Input the missing digit that makes the expression true. Right on. Input the missing digit that makes the expression true. Nice work. Great focus. Input the missing digit that makes the expression true. Way to go! Drag the correct symbol to make the comparison statement true. Complete the comparison statement. Spot on! You're definitely paying attention. Complete the comparison statement. You really know this. Complete the comparison statement. Nice job. You worked carefully. Complete the comparison statement. Way to go! Choose the number that makes the expression true. Fantastic! Choose the number that makes the expression true. Good job using what you've learned.